Usa ka tingog, usa ka katawhan. Cebu Catholic Television Network.
Sing it, Cebu. It's time to let your music come in. Let your song come in. Oh,
Sing it, Cebu. Your listening pleasure is here.
you're all invited in with it, singing around. Saturday's here, singing with pride. The world will now hear. And so sing it and enjoy to be here and join singing. And no time to leave and now singing. If you join with us here and you will shine, shine, shine all around Cebu. And let it shine, shine, shine all around the world.
Your song.
Your music.
And your listening pleasures.
Sing it, Cebu!
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
May hapon kaninyong tanan.
Christmas season.
Yes.
Merry Christmas!
We have to prepare for the coming of the Lord.
Kita mo, nag-red itang tulo.
Oh,
Nagsabot ba ta? Wala.
Oh, wala. Should be
Just
nagsabot
to let
ba
you
yan?
know, everyone, wala mi nagsabot. Ang amo na yung heart po.
Yes.
Ano nga po ang ng heart?
Oh, ano dugo?
Okay, yeah. Dili green, no? Okay, now, so we are back with our Sing It Cebu, and we are you can see us globally through, of course, Facebook Live of CCTN 47,
YouTube.
YouTube, and also with Cine Cebu subscribers. Exclusive maguning CCTN for Cine Cebu subscribers. Di ka, Ma'am Girl?
Yes, oo.
And recently, Ma'am Girlie just went to Siargao. She
Yes,
had a
Yeah,
we
wonderful
are having
experience there.
kanang kuan dito, singing, nag-gig me dito ni June Villarta, and we were really having a good time sa Siargao.
Suhor
Kanya,
po.
ma'am girl.
Yes.
Hapit mo kuno ka na halin og afam dito
Ala,
sa
oy,
Siargao.
huna-huna, ragyod na ni
Grabe ka.
June do, huna-huna, ragyod na niya.
Kaya na ba Afam Bridge dito?
Lingaw kay ko sa storya ni June.
Ala, oy.
Yun siya nga. Nakunoy ka kuan foreigner nga nagpaabli og kape nimo ba? O di ba pasangil daw kuno to pero
Aray.
pagka the
Ala,
following day kita
Oh.
na po siya si Ma'am Girlie, gwapa ka siya. Wow, beautiful.
Ha?
Oh,
And
dala.
he should have
Oh.
seen her singing.
Ala,
Mao.
sus, ginoo ko.
O karon, sige, let's start the ball rolling kaya medyo na late na tagsugod, no? So for the first singer or guest today, kinsa man?
Today, ato sa tawgon kani ang ato mga batanon
Ay,
nga mga
Yeah, but
guests.
yeah, sure. So
Um,
our guest is Athena Peace
Athena Peace
Soliven.
and si Eljon Delgado.
And do you believe Athena's father, Mr. Carlo, came all the way from Singapore, not just to celebrate his birthday, but to witness Athena singing for Sing It Cebu?
Yes, anak ka grabe, nindot.
Imagine all the way from Singapore, huh? Sir Carlo, thank you for being with us today. Huh? How? Oh, also,
Mommy and Daddy came all
And
the way
Mommy
from
and Daddy.
Singapore just to see Athena sing.
because
Wow.
Athena is really a talented girl.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Wow,
And
and then
so, Kwan, si
si Eljon.
Eljan, your parents are also here? Eljan? Yeah, came all the way from Cebu. Oh,
Mr.
from by the sea, by the wonderful sea. Okay? So ang atong cargo or cruise ship, sir?
Gas tanker.
Tanker. Wow, nagkuar magsweldo
Lagi, grabe.
Dollars.
Sana all.
Okay, so to start with, one of the greatest singers in Cebu, Miss Girly Las Piñas sa iyang
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together. If the fates allow, hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Wow, the
Pagkalami,
golden
yun
voice
paminawon,
of Miss
Joy.
Girly Las Piñas. Oh, Lapinid
Yes.
Las Piñas.
Ay, kalimti ang lapinid.
Oo,
Kay gusto
no,
ko siya yapil ang lapinid.
A semi-finalist sa kang Vice Ganda nga Tawag ng Tanghalan in Manila.
Wow.
Yan, niya gitawon guest sa Sing It Cebu, one
Ganahan
of the
jud ko na
mainstay.
si Ma'am Girlie. Kay
Yes.
ma-inspired jud ko sa iyang mga tingog, sa iyang mga kanta, and the way she performs. Wow.
Yeah, so do I. But
Yeah.
going back to
Thank
the
you.
AFAM,
Balik-balikan dyan ng afam. Uy,
Well,
wala ra pa,
anyway,
Joy.
okay.
Nahimong afam.
oh, let's go now. Wow, you will now see, hear this very talented Athena Pease Solivan. This is her time now. The parents are now here.
Kibo ba ka,
So
sir?
excited.
Medyo.
Ayan.
Excited.
Kami siyang
tayo.
gi-request ni Brian
How
nga
good.
mukantag usab kay ganahan kay ko sa iyang kanta.
Yeah,
Nindot kay siya mo sing.
Yeah, I like it before when she was dancing, no? Jolly kay siya at that time, no? So, Athena will be singing with us now in Beyond.
Lonely stars above the ocean. Now new skies call me by name, and suddenly nothing feels the same. I know the path that must be chosen, but this is bigger than before. Winds have changed, tides spin me far away from the shore. What awaits for me? Forever far from home, from everything and everyone I've ever known. What lies beyond under skies I've never seen? Will I lose myself between my home and what's unknown? If I go beyond, leaving all I love behind, with the future of our people still to find, can I go beyond? There is destiny in motion, and it's only just begun. Now, won't this life I've worked so hard for come undone? They're calling me, I must reply. What if I leave? How could I ever say goodbye? What lies beyond on the vast uncharted sea? Will I lose myself between all that we know right here and what's out there beyond? Leaving all I love behind, with the future of our people still to find. Can I go beyond? If I'm not here to hold her hand, will she grow to understand? I'll go beyond, and although I don't know when, I will reach these sands again, 'cause I know who I am. I am a wonder of the land and of the sea, and I promise that is who I'll always be. I must go, I will go, they will know what lies beyond.
Yes! Wow! Ka-powerful adto Athena Peace. Wow!
You can definitely go
Yeah,
beyond with your
yes.
voice,
Wow!
with your talent. You can go beyond many more places. I wish for you
yes.
sincerely,
Oo.
Inday.
She's only 9 years old,
Yeah.
ha? Athena
Grabe,
Peace.
good.
Oh,
Very nice
congratulations.
na yung name pag yun is
Oo,
Athena,
Athena
Peace.
Peace. Oh,
Yeah,
peace
I guess
kayo.
it has a meaning. And you
Oo.
know, kanaya galing ko.
Dimples.
Dimple, aliwat ni Mami. Gwapo kay si Mami.
Oh, happy kayo si Mamig Daddy nagtanaw, no? I'm sure gikulbaan dyan nas Mamig Daddy diha pag-perform ni Athena.
Asa si Lola? Oh, hi,
Day po
Lola.
si Lola. Wow!
biyahe.
Oh, complete. Kay na jud si Lola, si Mami ug si Daddy. Wow. Oh, ang coach
Ang
sa
coach
si
jud.
Brian Cabase over there.
Yes, nindot kini siya mga product ni si Sir Brian. So, yeah. Anya aton nya si Sir Jojo nga sunod mo kanta karon.
Oh,
Amazed kay siya.
kinakusgan
Mo na
sa
siya gaana, mo na siya naginuktok nga loy kayo nagtingo tong bataw. Ako na makanta.
kinakusgan sa Sing It Cebu.
Okay, si Sir Jojo
Sir
Labelia.
Jojo Labelia with his Oh, What a Circus.
Oh, what a circus, what a show. Argentina's gone to town over the death of an actress called Eva Peron. We've all gone crazy, mourning all day and mourning all night, failing ourselves to get out of the misery ride. Oh, what an exit, that's how to go when they're ringing your curtain down. Demand to be buried like Eva Peron. It's quite a sunset and good for the country in a about way. We've made the front pages of all the world's papers today. But who is this Santa Evita? Why all this howling, hysterical sorrow? What kind of goddess has lived among us? How will we ever get by without her? She had her moments, she had some style. The best show in town was the crowd outside the Casa Rosada, crying Eva Peron. But that's all gone now. As soon as the smoke from the funeral clears, we're all gonna see it how she did nothing for years. Salve Regina, Mater Misericordiae, vita del cielo est nostra. Salve, salve Regina, at acclamamus exulis vili Eva, at te susperamus gementes, et plentes o clemens o pia. You let down your people, Levita. You were supposed to have been immortal. That's all they wanted, not much to ask for. But in the end, you could not deliver.
Wow, kung Evita Peron to siya nga movie, I think. Yes, I guess. There you go. Am I right? Okay, yeah. Before anything else, we would like to pause for some reminders.
Catering services, call on Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services. They accept catering for weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, baptisms, conferences, seminars, house blessings, and other special occasions. Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services, located at 180 Katipunan Street, Tisa, Cebu City. For reservations, contact Lourdes Gomez.
Telephone numbers 2626643 and 2618072 and cell phone numbers 0925-893-3888 and 0922-875-1158.
Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services is willing to serve you.
Ito ang programa kung saan magko-collaborate ang ating mga ozone na doctors para ibahagi ang kanilang kaalamang medikal.
Pag nasira, syempre, wala nang function.
Yun ang, doon pumapasok yung mga, ano yung action ng ozone therapy. The blood carries that oxygen.
Matag episode, among ipaambit ninyo ang mga healing testimonies.
Hindi na ako makapagtrabaho, hindi na ako, wala, talagang wala na, kaiga na lang ako. Dahil sa ozone therapy, gumaling ako.
This is your path to a new start.
Ozomed Wellness Clinic New Start. Mapapanood every Saturday 8 to 9 a.m.
Og ang replay airing matag Miyerkules, 1:00 hangtod 2:00 sa hapon. Dinhi lang sa
CCTN Channel 47.
Sorry ma'am, na-late ko. Nangita pa mong gusto para internet sa kong anak ma'am.
Ay, wala na yung problema. Mag-sinisibo!
Sinisibo, sinisibo.
For your internet connection.
And for the signal of your cable TV.
So fast and straight, the transmission to your phone.
Sinisibo!
Sinisibo, sinisibo.
Offers you to have fiber optics.
For your viewing experience, perfect and clear so fast.
So great and affordable for you to enjoy.
Sinisibo.
Cine Cebu Television Network Incorporated offers fiber to the home broadband internet bundled with fiber to the home cable TV connection. Cine Cebu Television Network Incorporated with its operation in Metro Cebu and the whole province of Cebu soon.
And affordable for you to enjoy.
Sinisibo!
Welcome back. We're back again with Sing It Cebu, Ma'am Girl. And of course, I would like to introduce to you our another guest, another beauteous Miss Kuan, Elijah Delgado. And I think the parents are also here, Elijah Delgado. So Elijah, how are you today?
I'm doing good.
You're not nervous, right?
No.
Oh, okay, see?
Getting
She has the
ready.
confidence now, huh? Getting ready.
na sila, oy.
Okay, but she's also a great singer. Ingon yan, trainer, huh?
Oo.
Okay. But, Oh, yeah. Shout out, Miss Elijah.
Yes.
Kinsa
Kinsa
imong
imong
i-shout
ipang-shout
out.
out.
Especially your mom and dad who's
Shout
here
out
with
to
us.
my proud parents out there.
Great.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Name them, please.
Kulbaan sad na sila ron.
Oh, mas kulbaan ra ba ming parent katong mukanta ako nga I'll be so tense. Sige.
Shout out to Mommy Annalyn Delgado and Daddy Edward Delgado. Love you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also next to her is
His brother. Brother ni niya.
brother
Your
ni mo?
name is?
Eljan Delgado.
Wow,
Oh,
Eljan
Eljan.
Delgado.
So, mga talented
diba?
brothers and sisters,
brothers
no?
and sisters
Okay,
good.
ninduta ni nga siblings. Okay, now our next singer is the immortal beauty.
In Sing It Cebu. Kulbaan ako no siya. Uy.
Yeah, because
Tarong na ha,
di ako
tarong
nang
na
ipawa
gyud.
yang kulba, but that's why I called her with a great beauty. Ang sani kanang the beauty as katong as beauty as katong Venus bitaw sa Greek mythology,
Wow.
di ba? Miss Esther. East,
Nah,
yeah. Okay, so without much
What you
ado,
do?
Miss
Here, Miss-
Easter Ingreso.
Wow.
Dedicated ni kay June. June Villarta, kay gimingaw ko ni June. Hi. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling
she's not only she's
Nahuman
not only beautiful, but yung movement ba graceful sa kayo. Bisag very
Well,
light lang kayo. Yeah.
Pinaka-emote nga kanang pagkuan ba pagsayaw-sayaw
Oo, no, internalized yun niya. And the song really
Yes.
fits for her. A very jolly song by Miss Easter Ingreso. Okay, by the way, akaron ang next na itong perform is, of course, Miss Elijah. No, di pa ay sorry. So, si Kuade ay si, ikaw man di ay. Ikaw yun.
Unya, ako ang nasayop, ikaw man.
No, di ay.
Na-amaze lang gid siguro si Sir Jojo sa pagkantag yun ni Easter kaganina. Uy,
Ambot, no?
wow!
Ayaw, inga. Kaya
Rocking
basta ingo nila,
around
obsessed
the
na kung
Christmas
Easter.
tree.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm old enough to be her father. Okay, the next performer, Miss Girly Las Piñas, sa iyahang... Ito ni? Pasko na naman. Okay, but it's Christmas already. Miss Ace, no? Thank you. You really sung this wonderful song. So jolly, Miss Easter.
Jolly dito na naman ito. Wow!
Rocking around.
Naiko ko ni Sir Brian kay kanang murag na conscious ko ba kay ang atong coach nga akong future coach nagtan-aw gani unya. Oh my God, murag din ko kapasarani ba.
Okay, Sir Bry, take note on sa kinahanglan i-improve. He's here with us. Thank you kay Sir Bry. Iyahang mga trained talents mo ito. Kita mo si girl ganina. Si Juan, si Miss Athena. Wow! Murahog na high sa iyang kinantahan. Oy. And the parents maybe are very proud also, no?
Okay, Sir Joe, ato nang tawag ko pakantahon na nato si Ma'am Girly kay morsig barikoson siya hinuwat gani tindog.
ang dunay afam admirer.
Yeah, okay. Let's welcome Miss Girly Lepine Las Piñas sa iyang Pasko na naman.
Maayong Pasko, Pasko na naman, ukay tuli ng araw. Paskong nagdaan, tila ba kung kailan lang. Ngayon ay Pasko, dapat pasalamatan. Ngayon ay Pasko, tayo ay mag-awitan. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli. Tanging araw nating pinakamimiti. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli. Ang pag-ibig ng hahari. Pasko na naman, ukay tuli ng araw. Paskong nagdaan, tila ba kung kailan lang. Ngayon ay Pasko, dapat pasalamatan. Ngayon ay Pasko, tayo ay mag-awitan. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. Tanging araw nating pinakamimiti. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli ang pag-ibig naghahari. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli ang araw nating pinakamimiti. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli ang pag-ibig naghahari. Maligayang Pasko nating lahat. Pinaskuhan, Sir Jojo. Naagit tayo pinaskuhan, ani. Diba? Oh. Diba, Brian? Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli. Tanging araw nating pinakamimiti. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli. Ang pag-ibig naghahari. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli. Tanging araw nating pinakamimiti. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na namang muli. Ang pag-ibig naghahari.
Wow, festive kayo ang kanta ni
sus,
Madam
very
Girly.
inspired ni siya, no?
Very festive. Nga murag lingaw kayo kay ang mga pinaskuhan, naghuwat man good.
Oo,
Di ba,
niya.
Sir Ma'am Girl? Mo gina siya mo
Tinuod.
malipayon kasi sa iyang kanta kay naghuwat siya sa kang Sir
Nagpatungog-tungog
Jojo.
na
Mo lagi na pressure lagi ko kay nang pinaskuhan niyo wa ra magitaon.
Ay, no, ayaw sug ayo balibad, Sir
Ang
Jo.
sunod kantahon ka
Because
ng...
blessings are meant to be shared.
Okay, yes. So Elijah Delgado karon makadungog na gyud ang parents ni Elijah. Di ba?
He will sing the Riptide. The Elijah.
Ay.
Eljan man good na, Sir.
Eljan din siya,
Bantog lang
sorry.
na.
Ibong lang si Eljan.
siya.
Ang sabi
Si
ko,
Eljan.
senior moment.
Ah.
Sa akin, tiguwang naman gud.
Okay, let's
Ito ang
welcome
kalay.
Eljan sa iyang
Okay,
kanta na
Eljan.
Riptide.
was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Oh, all my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant and their dreams. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. There's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the high shelf. And they come unstuck. Later, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. No, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Mr.
Wow,
Eljan.
kanindot sa iyang kanta.
Yes. Eljan Delgado, no?
Yes.
Kanang ato sa ni siyang pa shout outan ha.
Kajut
Okay,
niya.
Eljan, why do you do your shout out?
My shout
Shout out.
great-
Sige,
okay,
kasi
great
shout out. Oh.
I shout out my mom and dad,
Oh.
Annalyn Delgado and Edward Delgado.
Wow.
Wow, the proud parents.
The proud
oh.
parents, no? Your dad is working on a ano sa man to tanker. no?
Tanker nga.
Oo,
kuan.
yeah, you will always miss him kung wa dire. Di ba, Eljan? But anyway, before we continue with the sister and also to the beautiful Easter Ingreso, we'll have a short break.
Catering services, call on Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services. They accept catering for weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, baptisms, conferences, seminars, house blessings, and other special occasions. Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services, located at 183 Katipunan Street, Tisa, Cebu City. For reservations, contact Lourdes Gomez.
Telephone numbers 2626643 and 2618072 and cell phone numbers 0925-893-3888 and 0922-875-1158.
Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services is willing to serve you.
Ito ang programa kung saan magko-collaborate ang ating mga ozone na doctors para ibahagi ang kanilang kaalamang medical.
Pag nasira, syempre, wala nang function.
Yun ang, doon pumapasok yung mga, ano yung action ng ozone therapy. The blood carries that oxygen.
Matag episode, among ipaambit ninyo ang mga healing testimonies.
Hindi na ako makapagtrabaho, hindi na ako, wala, talagang wala na, kaiga na lang ako. Dahil sa ozone therapy, gumaling ako.
This is your path to a new start.
Ozomed Wellness Clinic New Start. Mapapanood every Saturday 8 to 9 a.m.
Og ang replay airing matag Miyerkules, 1:00 hangtod 2:00 sa hapon. Dinhilang sa
CCTN Channel 47.
Ay, we're back again. Paita
Alam,
gini chika, oy
pagkatabian,
chika. Oh, sige chika. We're not
Yes.
aware na na dito on air na ta, may gani
on
dito
air
murag
na
tanga dinhi on air. But kadiyo traman no pilaras ka seconds. Okay, so labi na gyud ni ron nga mukanta na sa Miss East niya ang fans kasi Rosa. Oh,
ning sudjud si Miss Rosa,
siya
ha?
nga musud siya
Oo, kay
witness
mukanta na
live.
ang iya.
Kita mo na siya sa monitors gawas pagkakibaw niya si Ma'am East mukanta. So, wow, ang iha maning idol. Di ba, Miss Rose?
Yes.
Oh, see?
Yes.
Okay, so, di na ta magdugay kay na late na matagwa, no?
Oh, bitaw.
Okay, Miss Easter Ingreso, yes? Ma'am Girlie?
Merry Christmas, darling.
Isa kay
From the
darling,
Carpenters.
Isa kang darling, ha?
Oh, kinsa kay iyang darling.
Okay.
Greeting cards have all been sent. The Christmas rush is through. But I still have one wish to make. A special one for you. Merry Christmas, darling. We're apart, that's true. But I can dream, and in my dreams, I am Christmasing with you. Holidays are joyful. There's always something new. But every day's a holiday when I'm near to you. The lights on my tree, I wish you could see. I wish it every day. The logs on the fire fill me with desire to see you and to say that I wish you Merry Christmas, Happy New Year too. I've just one wish on this Christmas Eve. I wish I were with you. The logs on the fire fill me with desire to see you and to say that I wish you Merry
Mr. Ingreso.
Wow, Merry Christmas, darling.
Merry Christmas, Christmas
Kinsa
naman.
kay iyang darling?
Well, yahara na. Oy, by the way, it's almost Christmas. 5 days na lang, no?
Yes.
Oh,
It's
so
gonna
Merry
be
Christmas to all.
Christmas.
Kay, but the next Sing It, mulapas na this
lapas
Christmas Day.
na.
Okay, but unahon yun natin need to thank our production staff, no? Especially our director, nga guwapo nga si
Sir Jorix Vidal.
Jurix
Hi.
Vidal, okay? And together with him is si
Cameraman si Brian Incorporado.
and of course, si
Dave
Dave
Samaco.
Samaco, ang nasa audio to assist him. And of course, ang atong makeup nga nagpagwapa ninyong duha, kay gwapa ni siya, di mo kayo gwapa.
Okay, thank you
Si
kayo Ferdy Katubay.
Ferdy Katubay.
Ferdy
O sa
Katubay.
TOC, si Inday Lopez, and of course, si Mabel
Mabel.
Brigoli. Kana,
Brig-
pero may
Yes.
kinamakalintan niya ang apelido.
Bilyarta na pabilido ng
And of course, we would like to thank also Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services. Kay naaraman ni sila yung delivery no? Naaro no? Of course.
Oh, busy kaayo karon, full
And of course,
pack.
again, the
Oo.
parents, nga, the proud parents who are here with us tonight. Si ang birthday celebrant nga si Mr. Carlo Solivan. Sir Carlo, happy birthday!
sir!
Matay, no, happy today. Ibaw ka, pareha mag-birthday sa akong late father. In fact, today also is his birth anniversary. Ako papa. But
Okay.
yeah, nagpamisa na bitaw ko ganina during the mass here.
Yes.
And also to the parents of Elijah
Elijah
and
Delgado. Thank you very much for bringing your
Eljon,
kids here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you also, sir. For
Sir and ma'am, thank
okay.
you. Thank
Anyway,
you so
na-mention naman to
much.
nila inyong names.
Yeah.
Okay, Merry Christmas also. So karon, who is going to sing? Si Elijah na
Si
gyud.
Elijah, yes.
Okay.
Guwapa kay siya sa
Guwapa sa siya,
kuan.
no?
TV. She has a
Yes.
very good face na sa TV.
Oh,
Labi na sa
telegenic is
kuan,
the
oo.
term for her.
Yeah.
Okay.
And her song is gonna be Titibo Tibo.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sige, Miss Elijah, take it away.
Cover speech. Elementary pa lang napapansin na nila mga gawi kong parang hindi pambabae exhibits na Chinese Carter. Laruan ko high-tech sa Jolens. Tapos kajamming ko lagi noon mga siling lalaki sa amin. Nung ako'y mag-high school ay napabarkada sa mga bi-curious na babae na ang hanap din ay babae. Sa halip na may kabit-bit ko ay gitara. Tapos formahan ko lagi ay long-sleeve na t-shirt na fitted na lonta. Pero nung makilala kita, nagbago bigla ang aking timpla. Natuto ako na magpariban at mag-ahit ng kilay at least once a month. Di ko alam kung ano meron ka na sa akin ay nagpalambot na bigla. Mag-aakalang lalaki pala ang bibiyag sa tulad kong tigring lala. Kahit ako'y titibok-tibok, puso ko ay titibok-tibok pa rin sa'yo. Isang halik mo lamang at ako ay tinatablan. At ang aking pagkababae ay nabubuhayan na para bang bulaklak na namumukadkad. Dahil alaga mo sa dilig at katamtam sikat ng araw-araw ang pag-ibig sa aking buhay nagpapasara. Nung tayo'y nag-college ay saka ko lamang binigay ang matamis na o 10 buwan mong tinabaho. Sa halip na tsokolate at tipikal ng mga diskarte, nabiyag mo ko sa mga tula at sa mga kanta mo pa, bebe. Kaya nga nung makilala kita nasaktan, lamon agad na marong himala. Tuto ako magtako nga tao padalas ang suot ng bestirang pula. Pero di man naman na nasang ako'y magakang tuluyan para patunayan. Walang matigas sa tinapay sa mainit na kape ng iyong pagmamahal. Kahit ako'y titibok-tibok, puso ko ay titibok-tibok pa rin sa'yo. Isang halik mo lamang at ako ay di natablan. At ang aking pagkababae ay napumuhayan na para bang bulaklak na namumukadkad. Dahil alam mo sa dilig at katamtamang sikat ng araw-araw mong pag-ibig sa'king buhay nagpapasara.
Wow!
Mao na gyud eh.
Nindot ka!
Mao na gyud to,
Yeah. Nindot
Mura,
kay siya, no?
Alam mo na siya si Moira. Ikaw ba yan?
Oh.
Yes, he sang it so well.
Mao ni sila si Athena is girly lapinid on the making. Kinisad si Elijah mo sa ni Easter and green dress so in the making.
Yes.
Ayaw, uy, murag ni
Oh.
Okay? So
Okay.
karon happy kuha naman yun eh. It's
Di na
Christmas.
dyan na ito mapugngan.
Yeah, we will,
Manaygunta.
Okay,
Yeah,
sige.
Manaygon ta
sa-
kay haron mahatagan ta og kanang Christmas
Pinaskuhan,
gifts, pinaskuhan.
yes.
Kisa
Okay.
kahay mo hatag ani karon no?
Yeah,
Kuyog
we will,
ta,
we will
kuyog
invite
ta
the
Elijah
other
and
guests.
Also
Eljan
Athena.
and Athena, please.
Athena was the name of your mama again? What na-mention to me mo?
In front.
Judy Beth.
Judy
okay.
Beth.
How about naa si grandpa?
Yes.
Oh, dili. Kisa man na.
The name of your mom,
Kisa man ang
grandma.
kauban ninyo.
Oo.
Ha?
The name of your grandma.
Lola,
Lola,
yeah,
your
grandma,
Lola.
yeah.
Oo.
Kisa man na.
Anne.
Miss Anne. Merry
yes.
Christmas.
And the mama and papa of Eljan and Elijah. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
Okay, so manaygon mi.
Okay, manaygon mi para na ay pinaskuhan nga
Oo.
madawat.
Oo.
Okay. Ang Pasko ay sumapit, tayo ay managsiawi ng magagandang himig dahil sa Diyos ay pag-ibig ng Kristo ay silang may tatlong haring nagsidalaw at ang bawat isa ay nagsipaghandog ng tanging alay. Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay nang lumigaya ang ating bayan. Tayo'y magsikap upang makamtan natin ang kasaganaan. Tayo'y managsiawit habang ang mundo'y tahimik. Ang araw ay sumapit sa sanggol na dulot ng langit. Tayo ay magmamahalan, ating sundin ang ayong araw. At magbuhat ngayon, kahit hindi Pasko, ay magbigayan. Your song!
Your music!
Your listening pleasure! Sing it, Cebu! Bayan. Tayo'y magsikap upang makamtan natin ang kasaganahan. Tayo'y managsiawit habang ang mundo'y tahimik. Ang araw ay sumapit sa sanggol na dulot ng langit. Tayo ay magmahalan, ating sundin ang gintong araw. At magbuhat ngayon, kahit hindi Pasko, ay magbigay.
Bye, everyone!
Bye, everyone! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas to every...
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.